7 days of letting go and emotional healing. Day 7, emotional freedom and inner lightness. Welcome to the final day of this healing journey together. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to fully relax. Gently close your eyes and settle into this peaceful moment. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale softly through your mouth, releasing all remaining tension. Feel your breathing becoming calm, steady, and natural. Allow your shoulders to soften and your jaw to relax. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Take a moment to appreciate how far you have come. You have allowed yourself to heal little by little each day. Now imagine a warm golden light glowing within your heart. This light represents freedom, peace, and renewal. With every inhale, this light grows brighter within you. With every exhale, release old emotional weight. Allow yourself to let go completely in this moment. You no longer need to carry what once hurt you. Feel the heaviness slowly dissolving away. Like clouds drifting gently across the sky. Your heart is becoming lighter with every breath. Your mind is becoming clearer and more peaceful. Take a deep breath in and welcome emotional freedom. Exhale and release any fear, doubt, or sadness. You are safe to move forward into a new chapter. Allow gratitude to gently fill your entire body. Feel gratitude for your strength and your willingness to heal. You have given yourself the gift of compassion and care. Breathe in peace and breathe out anything that remains heavy. Feel a sense of openness expanding within your chest. Imagine yourself walking forward, feeling calm and free. Your past no longer controls your inner world. You are creating space for joy, healing, and possibility. Take another slow breath and allowing lightness to grow. Exhale and soften deeper into this peaceful feeling. Rest quietly for a few moments in this healing energy. Notice how your body feels more relaxed and open. Notice the calm, steady rhythm of your breathing. You are connected to the peace already within you. Carry this sense of emotional freedom into your daily life. Know that healing continues gently, one breath at a time. Begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Slowly wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take one final deep breath and feeling renewed and calm. Exhale fully and carry this lightness with you today. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and return refreshed. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.